If you run an independent school or you're thinking about starting one, I've got some great news for you. You're not alone. Despite there being a lot of independent schools, though, it can feel like you're alone. There are challenges that come, bumps in the road, things that you struggle with, and it doesn't seem like there's anywhere to turn for answers. With running KILROY'S, I want to tackle that challenge head on. There are answers. I'm Ron, and I started KILROY'S workshop in 2013 to teach trade skills to teens. In 2013, we were running out of an airplane hangar with a porta potty. But this last year, in 2023, we trained over 4,000 students in at least one class out of 15,000 square feet in a facility we just moved into. I have people visit our shop from all over the country asking how we do what we do. Well, I've got running KILROY'S now, so I can share that with you, and you don't have to fly into our shop. And now I invite you to learn from my successes and from my mistakes, to join us here in our community at Running KILROY'S so you can start and run your independent school. The world needs what you have to offer.